Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Suci Rahmawati. I'm from the SES Education Study Program NPM 2320303043. Previously, I will tell an interesting story about my trip to one of the plants in Solo, a very historical plant that has become one of the icons of the city of Solo. My telling trip in Pasar Gede. Pasar Gede Solo is one of the tourist and economic icon in the city of Surakarta, Central Java. This market is located on Street Urip Sumoharjo, opposite Surakarta City Hall, and is in Sudirab Feel like this market has an area of around 10,421 hectares and consists of two main buildings separated by Street Sudirman. This market was built in 1930 by Dutch architect named Thomas Karsten with an architectural style that is a combination of Dutch and Javanese style. This market is named Pasar Gede Harjonagoro, which means Big Harjo Market or Big Market of Happiness. This name is taken from the name of the grandfather of the famous Javanese cultural artist Gotik Swan, who was the head of the market in the past. Pasar Gede Solo is not only a place to shop for various necessities, but is also a culinary center that offers a variety of delicious and legendary food. In Arok, the market, we can find various types of food, from traditional to contemporary. Some examples of culinary delish that we can taste at Pasar Gede Solo are Ibu Sri liwet rice, which is rice that has been seasoned and served with kayot, coconut milk, tofu, boiled egg, cheddar chicken, and rice cracker. Nasi liwet is eaten using banana leaf pincuk, which is a traditional and distinct impression. Ibu Sri liwet rice is open from 6 a.m. to 20 a.m. is located on Street Suryo Praja, Pasar Gede, Kabupaten Wetan, Surakarta City. Tengkleng Pasar Gede, which is processed goat meat and both in soup jokes with spice similar to curry. Tengkleng is a typical Solo culinary dish that is very popular and much sought after by tourists. At Pasar Gede, we can find several delicious tengkleng sellers. One of the which is tengkleng Ibu Suya, which is one on street north of Pasar Gede, number 34, Sudirjebres, Surakarta City. When apart from tengkleng, we can also enjoy the delicious and tender satay of innards and fat. Pork gravy Pasar Gede, which is a non-halal culinary dish consisting of variant pieces of pork served in spicy sauce. The pork sauce is similar to the usually found in Glodok, Jakarta, and is one of the favorite food of Chinese people in Solo. We can find this pork chop is front of the pojok shop is the Pasar Gede one area. Apart from pork chop, we can also try bun, meatball, and chicken noodles, which are also available around the market. Pasar Gede Solo is also a Kitantau area, which is a witness to Chinese history and cultural in Solo. Across the road zone of Pasar Gede, we can see the Avalokitesvara Vihara, which is a place of worship for Buddhists. This monastery was built is 1873 and has beautiful and majestic architecture. In the monastery, we can see a statue of Dewi Kuan Im, who is the goddess of love and compassion. Around the monastery, we can also see various shops and houses that still reiterate Chinese characteristic sun and restaurant, ornament and writing. Here we can feel the strong Chinese nuance, and it is different from the surrounding Javanese atmosphere. Pasar Gede Solo is one of the tourist destinations that must be visited in we are in the city of Surakarta. Here we can enjoy various interesting things from shopping, culinary to cultural. This market is also symbol of history and harmony in Solo, which combines Javanese and Chinese element in on place. Pasar Gede Solo is market that is never empty and is always busy with visitors both from inside and outside the city. This market, a market that is both sharp are never lost in Javanese. This market is market that is always alive and developing along with the times. That the story of my trip to Pasar Gede Solo, a very historic market. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.